hope you guys are having a wonderful day this weekend. Let me do a little bit of an update for you guys on GameStop. I was supposed to post this on Thursday, but I am very sick. I'm still sick, but let's try to get through this. I took 2 Advils, and I have some water beside me, so I think we'll manage through to get through this analysis. Manage to get through this analysis. All right. So, yeah, it was a rough day on Friday. Of course, like the indices were freaking out over the tariffs, and I mean, over the weekend just now there was news that they put them in place, and now we'll have to see how the market reacts. But we still have this valid count. It's very valid. Has not been invalidated yet. The only thing it does need to do to invalidate it is break the low at 26. And to be honest, you really need to start to take these lows at 25, 26. And then you have a very invalid count because you could still technically uh, do a flat correction and still come up where it's very nasty because then you dip, you fake everyone out. The shorts think they've won, and then it rips back up, and then you come back down again. So the bears think they've won, and then the bulls come out of the gate storming, and then they win, and then they rally into the sell area. Then they FOMO in, and then the real drop happens. But regardless, it's going to be setting up for more upside. If this correction is already over, which by the way, you've reset the 4 hour cycle, you've almost reset the daily. It's had a very nice correction so far. It's still opening, so you could technically go a little bit lower. When you take a look at the stochastics, though, it's already been reset. It's only when I take a look at the 4 hour, it does get a little bit concerning where we may play out like a flat scenario where we come back down 26, 25, and then rally back to like the 30s very quickly, like a very like rip your face off rally, and then come back down. The stochastics are already opening up, and on the 4 hour, so we'll have to see what we have in store next week. The 1 hour, coming back down as well. But to be honest, I'm just gonna follow this pattern. If it does start to break these pivots, then you have a very shallow B wave, which would set up for this very a more bearish target than this. So you're gonna come back down to the lows. We'll have to see how the market reacts to these tariffs on market open. Let's get some water. Okay, so when it comes to market cipher, we could take a look at our new weekly candle. So the weekly candle showing an 18 and a -5. That's what we closed with on Friday. So getting increasingly bearish, but the price did not make a lower low on Friday. So that's some good news there. And then you have the 4 day, 3 days still looking bearish as well. It's only, I think, when you get down to the daily, you started to get some green dots here, and you still have green money flow. So that upside, potential for upside is still there. And the 4 hour time frame, this is where things got a little bit nasty on Friday with that, sharp sell off of 3.89%. He closed with a red dot and a blood diamond. And the last time we got this, it's essentially just a red cross and a red dot confirmation at the same time. That's why it becomes like a little blood diamond. Sometimes they just bounce right back. On GameStop, I found that you bounce back quite rapidly afterwards. Maybe not here. You had a very sharp sell-off. Proceed to chop more with another red diamond, and then you entered red money flow. That's when the price recovered. So we'll have to see what happens here. We're basically in red money flow to zero money flow at the moment. So market's neutral, but the larger time frames are supporting more upside. Let's take a look at the daily time frame on wave edge. So nothing new here. Got some green crosses. 4 hour time frame. We got that dip buy here from smart money. 1 hour time frame. I saw some people leaving comments that this is not smart money. This is stupid money. Well, regardless if it's stupid or smart, they are buying, and the price historically has upside afterwards when they do buy. And it could just be accumulation and getting ready for more downside, but ultimately it sets up for more upside. So I don't know why people would think that this is a bearish thing. It's actually the complete opposite. It's just signals, right? This is selling is from when big money is unloading at the highs, right? Wow, it's getting hot now. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. There's not too much to update you guys with. I'll post another update on Tuesday and Thursday next week, and maybe Monday if there's some crazy price action. But yeah, I don't think that we're gonna get that. Anyways, that's it. Enjoy your weekend, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.